Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a profile banner on TikTok using TikTok's new profile customizations feature. So this feature will let you add a large background image behind your profile on here like this, and then it will making your account look more unique and personalized. So let's get started. First, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest versions, and you can check for the updates from the Google Play Store or App Store. And then once your TikTok is updated, just open the app and go to your profile like this. Just open your profile like this, and then next just tap the pencil icon at the top left corner. This one, just tap on it, and then on here, this will open the profile editing page, and on this page just look for the options that called change background at the top right corner. Usually the button will be on here, the top right, at the top right corner, and then just tap on it, and then just select the photo that you want to use as your profile banner, and then after that adjust and crop the image to fit the banner area. And once you are happy with the result, just save the change, and your new profile banner should now appear behind your profile. However, there is something important you should know. Even if you have already updated TikTok to the latest versions, you may not see this feature yet. That's because this is still a very new feature, and TikTok appears to be rolling it out gradually to different users. And from what I have seen so far, many of accounts that already have access to this feature are larger accounts with hundreds of thousands of followers. Like for example, in here my account is still relatively small, and even after updating TikTok, the profile banner feature still hasn't appeared yet on here. So if you are watching this video and you have a larger account with hundreds of thousands of followers, just go ahead and check your profile to see whether the feature is already available for you. And if this options isn't there yet, don't worry, you will be probably just need to wait until TikTok enables it for more accounts in future updates. And okay, that's all for this quick tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.